Here's another hard truth about divorce law. Sometimes you get spouses, a lot of times it's the mothers, that compensate for the lack of parenting fitness of the father. Either is not engaged, tied up with work, really into the sports of the golf, who knows. But she revels in this in some ways, because who doesn't love spending a ton of time with their kids? Kind of to a certain extent, these dads are a bit crazy, not recognizing the gold mine that it is these two little kids in their house, or 4 or 1 or whatever it is. But when the divorce comes, that's where the bitterness kicks in, because he turns around and says, I actually have good fitness as a dad, and I want the kids half the overnights. And most divorce judges are going to look at this and realize that studies show that despite separate living arrangements, if children turn out pretty well, if they feel like they're loved by both parents, and unless there's some good reason why dad shouldn't get the kids half the time, that's where they're going to start. Even though mom was providing A+ care and dad was capable of providing C care, but the overall average was an A because the kids spent so much time with mom. And now mom's still going to provide A+ care. Dad maybe rises to the challenge, but maybe it's no more than C+ or B-. Either way, mom's going to start realizing that those kids that were getting A's before, in regards to the quality of the parenting they're receiving, B students, B kids. You get what I'm saying? Because they're now having to undergo the suffering of averaging between two households. And that's just the way it is. To a certain extent, if that other person that mom married wasn't prepared to be a better father than he was, then if the divorce ever came, in which case this oftentimes comes, that averaging is going to play out. Mom's going to do the best she can while those kids are underneath in her home after the divorce. Now, a lot of times that's all you can do, but it's a tough pill to swallow for a lot of moms, or vice versa if the situation was reversed. My name's Matt. I'm a divorce attorney for nearly 20 years. If you appreciate this sort of content, not that you like it, but you appreciate it, like, comment, follow below. Thanks.